Hey HIST 101 students, Professor Benelou here with a sneak peek into what will be going on in Unit 5. Hard to believe we're already at Unit 5, but anyway, your remaining Unit 4 due dates are as follows. Tuesday, which will be December 15th, you're going to have two very important things due in this class. Firstly, you're going to have Unit 4 IntelliPath due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. And also on December 15th, you are also going to have your Unit 4 discussion board response post due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. Remember, in the Unit 4 responses, you need to respond to two of your classmates. And remember, you do need to respond to two classmates just like you did in Unit 2, but there's a little twist with this, in the sense that each of your response posts must be at least 100 words in length. And don't panic, you will have no problem meeting that requirement as long as you tailor your post to your classmates' post and answer the questions as set out in the directions. You will be fine. Okay, and then the Unit 5 due dates, our very last assignments due in this class, will be Friday, December 18th. You will have your Unit 5 Determined Knowledge due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. And then Tuesday, December 22nd, you will have your Unit 5 IntelliPath due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. All right, everybody, be well, have a great week, and I will see you for our chat on Tuesday. Have a good one.